Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. These are the few ingredients we are using for today's cake. We have our buttercream frosting here in the shade baby pink. You can see our cake here, which is an 8-inch cake, one layer to be precise. Some cherries here, our melted white chocolate, and then this is the cake box we are using, as well as my new business sticker. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So we are going to decorate this cake just like the Val's Day cake which I posted on the channel, but for this one the customer requested a little bit of decoration, so I'm using some buttercream frosting to decorate the outer part, and then after that we are going to add on the chocolate and then the cherries, then we'll box it and then add whatever order the customer added to it as well. The customer requested for some spring rolls, so we are packaging the cake, the spring rolls, and that's about it for this video. So I'm going to start decorating the cake. Since we are going to cover the top with a little bit of chocolate, we should add more of the frosting to the sides instead of the top. It's going to get covered anyways. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. We'll use the scraper to scrape off the excess. And then also at the top, do the last one. I'll add a little bit of frosting to cover the sides perfectly, and then we'll continue from there. This is the cake. So we are going to add the chocolates. And then I'll use the offset spatula to spread it nicely on the top. Now I'm going to add the cherries. Lastly, I'm going to decorate the middle with some of the cake crumbs. And this is our cake. Now I'm going to place the cake here into the cake box. So I'm going to cover it. Push it in. And then lock with this part. Now we are going to add the business sticker right in the center. And that is it. So if you want something as cute and as beautiful as this, order from us and we are going to deliver. Next, we are going to package the spring rolls. We are going to package the spring rolls. And placing in some parchment paper. These are our fried spring rolls. So I'm going to place them in here. So these are the spring rolls. These are how they look like. So I'll close the box and we add the business sticker to it. So I'll place it here on the cake, and then we place them in here. And then it's set for delivery. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.